VW Golf Mk6. That's a hatchback body type. We're going to fit a Heyner rear flat wiper blade. First we're going to remove this blade. It's very simple. You just press the button and pull the wiper blade off the arm. Now I'm going to take off the blade from the box. It comes with the range of the adapters. We need to take R2 adapter to fit the blade so it has the same push button as the original blade. Please remember there's a cover on the one side and this uncovered side goes under the wiper arm, so the adapter needs to be fitted this way. So again, there's a little plastic bar over here and it goes right into the hole. We click it on and again simply press the button and slide the wiper on. Job done. Thank you for watching.